Have you ever considered how much technology has evolved in just the last decade? It's a whirlwind of advancements, rapidly reshaping our world. A trio of innovative technologies stands at the forefront of this revolution: 3D printing, PC software, and artificial intelligence. 3D printing, once a sci-fi dream, is now a tangible reality, breathing life into ideas by turning digital models into physical objects. From prosthetics to housing, it's redefining what's possible in manufacturing and beyond. Next, we have the ubiquitous PC software, the unsung hero of our digital age. It's the engine that powers our devices, enabling us to connect, create, and compute with a few clicks or taps. Lastly, there's artificial intelligence, the jewel in the crown of modern technology. It's not just about robots and sci-fi movies anymore. AI is everywhere, making sense of complex data and transforming how we live, work, and play. Now let's dive deeper into each of these fascinating technologies. Imagine being able to print a tangible object right from your desktop. This is no longer a figment of the imagination, but an exciting reality in the world of 3D printing. Let's delve into the realm of 3D printers, where we'll explore the different types and how they operate. There are primarily three types of 3D printers: FDM, SLA, and SLS printers. Each comes with its unique set of advantages and disadvantages, but they all share the same purpose: to transform digital designs into physical objects. First, we have fused deposition modeling, or FDM printers. These printers work by heating a plastic filament and extruding it layer by layer to create the object. They're affordable and versatile, making them the most common type of 3D printer. However, they do have a drawback. The quality of the printed object is not as high as with other types of printers. Next, we have stereolithography, or SLA printers. These printers use a laser to harden a liquid resin, creating highly detailed objects. The quality of print from SLA printers is top-notch, but they are more expensive and slower than their FDM counterparts. Finally, we have selective laser sintering, or SLS printers. These printers use a laser to fuse powdered material layer by layer. SLS printers can print complex shapes without support structures, which is a significant advantage. However, they are the most expensive type of 3D printer and require a controlled environment for printing. These technologies are revolutionizing various fields. FDM printers are great for prototyping and educational purposes. SLA printers are favored in industries like dentistry and jewelry, where precision is key. SLS printers, on the other hand, are ideal for producing durable parts for aerospace and automotive applications. As we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, the potential applications for 3D printing are virtually limitless. From printing customized prosthetics to building houses, 3D printing is indeed a game changer. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing, but what about the software running our computers? Let's explore that in our next segment. From writing documents to creating virtual worlds, PC software is at the heart of it all. In our digital age, it's hard to imagine a world without computer software. It's the invisible hand that guides our online and offline activities. Let's delve into the myriad types of software that power our personal computers. First off, the operating systems. These are the big bosses of the software world. They manage our hardware resources and provide the necessary services for application software. Windows, macOS, Linux. These are the juggernauts that dictate how we interact with our machines. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Windows, for instance, is known for its compatibility with a wide range of hardware and software. On the other hand, macOS is praised for its seamless integration with other Apple devices. Linux, while less user-friendly, offers unparalleled customizability. Next up, productivity software. This category includes the likes of Microsoft Office Suite and Google Workspace, which have become staples in our professional lives. These tools help us create, edit, manage, and share information. They've revolutionized how we work, enabling global collaboration and remote work. However, they do have a downside. Information overload and digital fatigue can be real challenges in our hyper-connected world. Finally, let's look at graphics software. This is the realm of the creatives. Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Blender are just a few examples. They allow us to design, edit, and render visual content, from simple logos to complex 3D animations. The power of these tools is astounding, yet they require a steep learning curve and high-performance hardware. So we've seen PC software in action, the operating systems that command our hardware, the productivity tools that transform our work, and the graphics programs that unleash our creativity. Each type of software has its own unique strengths and challenges, but all play a pivotal role in our digital lives. So we've seen how software shapes our digital experience. But what about the technologies that are shaping our future? Artificial intelligence, the technology of the future, or is it already here? Artificial intelligence, often simply referred to as AI, is an umbrella term that encompasses a myriad of technologies. Among the most prominent are machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. Each of these presents a unique facet of AI's potential, and together, they are reshaping the world as we know it. Let's start with machine learning. In essence, machine learning is all about data, vast, mind-boggling amounts of data. It's a process where a machine learns to make decisions or predictions based on patterns it identifies in this data. From predicting weather patterns to recommending the next movie you should watch, machine learning is becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. Natural language processing, on the other hand, is all about communication. It's the technology that allows machines to understand human language, and it's the backbone of every voice assistant you've ever encountered. With natural language processing, machines can not only understand our words, but also discern context, sentiment, and even sarcasm. It's an area of AI that's continually evolving and improving, bringing us closer to a world where machines can communicate with us as seamlessly as another human being. Then there's robotics. When we think of AI, robots often spring to mind, and for a good reason. Robotics is the physical embodiment of AI, where all that machine learning and natural language processing gets put to practical use. Robots are already present in sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and even in our homes, performing tasks with precision and efficiency that's hard to match. Yet, like any technology, AI comes with potential risks. Issues of privacy, security, and ethical use are all part of the conversation. But by understanding these technologies, we can better navigate the balance between their benefits and risks. From manufacturing to computing to artificial intelligence, the future is here. Embrace it, understand it, and let's explore together what this dawn of AI has in store for us. So, we've journeyed through the world of 3D printing, explored the power of PC software, and peeked into the dawn of AI. We've seen how these technologies are not just parts of our everyday lives, but are shaping the future, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. Remember how we delved into the realm of 3D printing? We examined the different types of printers, from the desktop models for hobbyists to the industrial giants that are revolutionizing manufacturing. We've seen how these machines are capable of creating intricate objects, layer by layer, transforming digital designs into tangible reality. The potential here is immense, from printing spare parts in space to creating personalized prosthetics. Then, we navigated the vast world of PC software. We discussed the power of these tools, which range from simple text editors to complex data analysis programs. These software not only make our lives easier, but also open up new avenues for creativity and innovation. From graphic design to coding, PC software is the bedrock of the digital revolution. And of course, we couldn't overlook the dawn of AI. We've seen how AI technologies are becoming increasingly sophisticated, able to learn and adapt in ways that mimic human intelligence. Whether it's voice recognition, machine learning, or predictive analytics, AI is a game changer. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars, it's about harnessing the power of data to solve complex problems and make informed decisions. But as we've discussed, with great power comes great responsibility. These technologies hold enormous potential, but they also raise significant questions about privacy, security, and ethics. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, and it's up to us to navigate it wisely. Technology is changing rapidly, and it's up to us to keep up. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.